Eat and drink, but at the right time. In our super busy 21st century lives, most of us try to do as much as we can in 24 hours. However, we usually do things whenever it suits us, and experts say that this is disrupting our body's natural cycle, making us feel tired at times when we should feel awake, and vice versa. Science shows that by doing things at the right time, we can be happier and healthier. Have breakfast at 8 a.m. In a recent study, researchers found having breakfast at this time is good for our blood sugar levels. So, the food you eat now will give you the energy you need. It's also important not to skip breakfast. Another research team from Sweden suggests that people who ate a regular breakfast as teenagers were 32% less likely to be at risk of heart disease as adults.
Don't drink coffee in the morning. Have one at 3 p.m. Most coffee drinkers make a cup as soon as they wake up. However, researchers have suggested that early morning is the worst time to drink coffee because it stops the body from producing the stress hormone cortisol, which we need at this time to help us to wake up. The best time to drink coffee or caffeine in general is between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. when it can make us more mentally alert, according to a study carried out by the University of Sheffield a few years ago.
Have lunch between 12 and 2. This is when our body digests food best, because this is when the stomach produces most acid. So, it's the ideal time to have your main meal of the day.
Have dinner at 7 p.m. Have your evening meal early. It should be delicious. Our sense of smell and taste are at their best at this time, but make it light. And if you want a small glass of wine, have it before dinner, as 6:30 is when the liver is most efficient at dealing with alcohol. If you follow these advices, your body will soon begin feeling better and more healthier. If you liked this video, don't forget to click the like button, and you can subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. See you soon.